Do you need an oil catch can? As your engine is running, pressure is going to be building in the crankcase, and that pressure needs to go somewhere. The oil needs to get sent out. And so from the factory, what they do is they send it out of the pressure control valve, the PCV valve, and then they route it back into your intake. Now, there's a fundamental problem with this. Oil is getting sent in with your clean air. That's going to create a lot of carbonization in your throttle body, intake manifold, and pistons. How the catch can works is the oil and air are going to go in, it's going to get filtered, the oil is going to sit in the bottom of the can, and clean air is going to go out into your intake manifold. That's going to eliminate the carbonization that comes from the waste oil being burnt up. The reason they don't do this from the factory is because it creates more waste oil, and that's not going to be emissions friendly. The truth is, the question, do you need an oil catch can, all comes down to your specific application. For most people, they're going to say, hey, no, you don't need it. But really, what's the downside to getting it for $30?